Hey, today we'll be installing LED headlights on a 2012 Prius. These are the bulbs that we have for it. We're taking out those ugly halogen bulbs and replacing it. As you can see, those are the old ones, and this is one of the new ones. Pretty simple. The right side is probably the easiest one. Left side is easier too. Just go in right there, you take that bulb out, pop the new one in, and then the biggest part is making sure the plug is lined up so it will work. So it gives you the option to flip it around. If you plug it in one way and it doesn't power up, you always can flip it around the other way for it to power up. So what I'm gonna do now, since I pretty much showed you how to do it, we got this bulb already out. It goes right there in that little slot. That little green thing you're looking at, that plugs into the back of it. And what we're gonna do is get this thing plugged in and turned on and let y'all see the difference in the lights. So just follow the video and you'll see how simple it is to do it. So now what I'm gonna do is attempt to put this in one-handedly of sorts. Make sure you don't let that touch anything. Slide it in there like so. Somehow. Yep, it's in there. Kind of see where my hand is. And then you'll lock it into place like you're doing a regular bulb. It locks in place and twists it in. Yep. So that one is in. And that's what it looks like when it's sitting in place. I don't know if you can really see that, but it's sitting pretty much straight up like it should. So I'm gonna put the other one in and then we're gonna cut you back on and let you see what it looks like when it's all powered up. So now what we have is the finished product. As you can see, it's a little bit bluer than it was before. It doesn't have a halogen in it. So, like I was saying, it's very simple. Plug and play. The brand is Split Motors on Amazon. And this is an H11 bulb. So, H11 bulbs is what it's called for this particular vehicle. And I'm sure for whatever application you're trying to do, you can do whatever application that you want to do, and I have that particular bulb for it. So make sure you know what type, model, and all that stuff to go with your vehicle so you can order the correct bulb. If you have any questions, please comment, like, subscribe. Have a great day.